Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to delete a sim in Sims FreePlay application on your mobile device. First of all, open up the Sims FreePlay app on your mobile device and make sure that you're inside the game. Now, select the sim you want to delete. Tap on the little folder icon at the bottom left and then choose the sim you want to delete from your game. After making a choice, tap on the sim and then you will see this dialog box. Click on the little stop kind of an icon in red at the top right. Now click on yes in the pop-up and this sim will be deleted from the game or the town. Now your town has one less sim and you are free to customize your sim roster however you like. Whether you are making room for fresh faces or reshaping your story, Sims FreePlay gives you full control. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.